Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Cooler weather on the way tonight. We'll lose some of those clouds, get back to partly cloudy skies. Cooler air moving in from the west. 44 at 7 o'clock, 41 at 9, 39 at 11 p.m. We might even go briefly mostly clear here past midnight. We'll see a little sunshine to start the day tomorrow. Some areas of patchy fog, 33 at 8 o'clock, but then those clouds on the increase as we go through the morning, 44 at noon, and eventually the chance of some rain and snow showers into the afternoon with temperatures into the upper 30s late in the day. Our temperatures for the month of November were warm, and we're going to be looking at the potential for above normal readings again for the month of December. From the Climate Prediction Center here, you can see the above normal forecasted temperatures from the Central Plain states all the way to the East Coast and out along the West Coast. The only area below normal out in the Southern Rockies and the southwestern U.S. Precip looks like that'll be above normal across the southern part of the country. Speaking of November being warm, it was the 6th warmest in the record books for us. The month of November ended up with an average temperature of almost 48 degrees, 5 degrees above average. Rainfall about an inch below average. The warmest, warm spell early in the month. Remember all those 70s we had. 75 the highest temperature on the 3rd, the minimum 19 degrees on the 22nd. Now, as we just mentioned here, we're going to be looking at some mild temperatures for December, but at least the potential for some snowflakes late Wednesday and into Wednesday evening. But the first week of December, still above normal temperatures, and you'll see that when we check out that Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. Stall vision camera tonight out in Beaver Creek. You can see the breaks in the clouds coming in from the west. Dry weather out there now as we look across 675 over to the green. No rain around the Dayton area on live Doppler 2 HD, and the showers that were around early afternoon have moved well off to the east of even Columbus now with those breaks in the clouds coming in from the west. We do have a cold front east of us, but this low pressure center stacked not only at the surface but in the upper levels. That will drop southeastward and start to increase our clouds again tomorrow, and you can see the rain, snow showers with that upper level low. At least we'll have initially a chance of some rain showers with the colder air by late afternoon and evening. Some snowflakes could mix in. We're down to 45 degrees now, west wind at 10 miles an hour. Looking at wind chill numbers, we're around 40 here, but low to mid 30s and even some upper 30s out over central Indiana. Weather check readings tonight into the 40s. Lowell, Miller, and Greenville down to 44, losing some of those clouds. Otherwise, upper 40s to around 50 over a good part of the Miami Valley. Future track forecast showing those clouds thinning out tonight. Even a brief period of some mostly clear conditions as we go through 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Maybe some patchy fog, low clouds redeveloping late tonight, definitely redeveloping during the late morning hours tomorrow, and then we'll see that chance of rain showers passing through, and eventually a few flakes of snow could mix in as well. But after that, dry weather for the end of the week. Tonight down to 33 with partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow looks like those clouds returning and that chance for rain showers in the afternoon. Eventually some snow could mix in with a high of 44. Winds pick up out of the west at 10 to 20 in the afternoon. 40 at 10 o'clock, 44 degrees at noon. Chance of rain showers cooling things off, and then upper 30s by 6 o'clock. Back to dry weather on Thursday, 42, up around 50 on Friday. And then look at those temperatures for the weekend. Morning low still around freezing, but afternoon temperatures getting up into the low to mid 50s. It still looks pretty nice for early December, right into early next week, Monday and Tuesday as well. A lot of dry weather coming up over the next 6 days.
Yeah, looking nice. All right, Brian, thank you.
Well, it's time right now to honor another one of the area's top student athletes.
Jack Pohl introduces us to our very latest Penn Station Athlete of the Month.